What's up, guys? Stacey Elliott here from Fit with Fat, and today I made some really good fat bombs, and I want to share them with you. So we are going to make cookie dough fat bombs. I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do, and they're amazing, taste tested for me and for my children and for my husband, and we all love them. If you love cookie dough, you're going to want to stay around and watch. If you don't, I don't know if we're going to be able to be friends. Everyone loves cookie dough, right? All right, guys, stay tuned and enjoy.